There's an old Willys. Flame decal. Livery is right there.
No, the one is back.
Exhaust is right there.
Beckons a foreign work.
That's right.
Yeah, they're close to 39, those probably something like that.
Playing with the tires there.
19.
At least 2 exhausts. Didn't know that.
Loggy.
2 very nice Cadillacs.
59, I think.
59.
The Bullet.
Here's the interior. Here are the Manzi girls. Excuse me. Don't touch the
I like to see the hoods up on that one.
This is the tail light compared to my hand.
That one's not stock.
That is very big.
What's this one?
Same car, same color, I think. Ish.
Brian owns them.
Both 59, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the year I love.
Yeah, he's good looking. A lot of iron.
Yeah.
427 Corvette.
Nasty.
What do you mean by nasty? Badass?
Fast.
Fast. Small tires, no tires. I would assume so.
They're bigger than the things that come with This is back there, factory.
Old
Their
Dodge.
factory, yeah.
Dodge truck. I think it has a wide tire on a big tire.
I've never seen the interior.
No, just small tire.
Stock interior.
Old Dodge. I think this is the new color that you see on the Hellcats. Some people are putting them on the TRXs. Here's a nice little hot rod.
Remember the one I gave the Mac?
Runs on alcohol,
No.
so pretty freaking fast. I like how you can see the tires on this. That's what I like about these cars. The A-bomb. Small interior, it's chopped. It's chopped, as you can see, it's super small. Here's an Imperial. They used to have like a lot of wings back in the day. Oh wow, look at that steering wheel, that's super cool. Look at the steering wheel, Dad.
And they got the size of them?
I know. Man, look at that steering wheel. Here's a Golden Hour. Yeah, so you can see the roof. Yeah, no, they got it stopped halfway. I made that. Body, graphics. I like the inside though. Look. So, oh wow, there's the exhaust, I think.
Okay, this one came with a record player. From the factory.
This one came from a
It's
record
in there.
player.
He's going to play records here.
They're not CDs.
No, I know, kid. It's factory with a little record player built in.
There's a
Came
record
from the
player
factory like
built
that.
in this one.
Look at the gauge. Look how big the gauges are there, the speedometer and stuff.
Plays records. Greenish turquoise color. Chevy. Old truck. There's the motor. Don't want to drop it. There's a monkey in the back.
Yeah. No, Jason.
I got a 16 I don't want to read it. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Beautiful Chevy drag car.
I guess this is the car.
There's the hood. It has a giant cowl on it. Styrofoam so it doesn't scratch the hood. Are they thick? They're thick. They be really thick. There's a little drag wing. It's pretty cool. Look at the bars. Racing seats.
Pero está nueva la categoría. Es diferente, ¿no? Que la original.
Don't know if it does or doesn't.
Mira el pago está soldado.
Probably does.
No, whatever. No.
Chevy Bel Air.
I took it for you.
With you?
I like that Falcon on the front.
I'm waiting until I call the company. I'll call them and they'll be like,
I'm for that later. Now, on the left of me, because I was facing the different direction, now to the right of me, that was the one I was talking to the left of me, but now on the left of me, it is a Chevy Bel Air. Looks like the same thing, just bigger tires, and it has the thing, I don't know what this is, but it has a thing over the back, instead of like that. I also think its fins are bigger and skinnier. As you can see, these are more round. These are more pointy.
it's called aerodynamics right there.
I know, that's why I'm saying they're more pointy. Beautiful Ford.
Where's your car?
I think I already showed this one. Yes. No, I didn't. Are the tires thick? Nope. Small tire. Small tire. No, small tire. Old Dodge Challenger. I don't see these anymore. 340. Should have painted this in orange. Put 01 on the top. 72 Dodge Challenger Rally. I should have put orange on it though. Put 01 on the top. I mean, side. Put 01 on the side. Man, I'd love to own this car. I'd love to own all these cars, but if I had to pick one car, it would be the Cadillac's over there somewhere. My Subaru thing slammed. Nice carbon fiber. From swapping out camber wheels. Airbag, I believe. I don't know what those are, but some airbags are hydraulics. One of the two. Nice side skirts. This is the one I should have painted orange.
This looks like the same year I had.
Yeah, they should have painted it orange and put 01 on the side of it.
No. I just not want to show.
Anybody get that joke? People do. Aha, they have it! They have it! They have it! Let's go! They read my mind perfectly. That's from the... I'm not going to say the movie. Somebody comment down below what movie that's from. There's the car again. I don't know what this one is. Oh, it might be a Ford. Sure as hell is a drag car in that Ford. Let's go into the side and see. Are the tires thick? They look pretty thick. And yes, they are thick. They are big boy.
You know, 5 years I was there, we were #1 rated.
Love to have this car. Interior. Batman, the Batmobile.
Satellite. A Roadrunner.
Someone's taking pictures here. It's the Batmobile.
This thing's jacked.
Batmobile, look at that. Man. You got the lights, you got the separate glasses, the interior, emergency bathroom level.
Is it burnout?
You have the exhaust. What car was this based off?
The Batmobile. I don't know.
No, not the Batmobile, like an Impala.
It looks like that kind of.
The wings are, I love the wings.
That's actually an exhaust.
They're fins, not wings, James.
What?
They're fins.
You get what I mean?
Bat is shoot. It has parachutes.
The Battleship.
They gotta have a red edge.
Those wings though, look at that. That is the fins. Same thing. Ish. What makes you fly ones just flips. Well, ish. The Batmobile. Old school. Old school Batmobile. Not none of this new bull crap. It's the old school. Oh, I just found the most beautiful car. Show you guys in like a few. Basically, I'm gonna pause. So it's like I'll show you guys. And we're here. Man, beautiful black with a flame decal. Can't show the back tires. Aerodynamics, I guess. Chop topped. There's my hand compared to it, so chop topped. Chop topped. You get what I mean. It's lowered down. It doesn't say what this one is, but it is something. And I'd love to have it, whatever it is. There's the interior again. I don't think I showed this to you. There's the front.
There's a GTR over there, bro.
Oh yeah, I saw that. This is an inline motor. These things are chunky cash to get. Heavier, they're longer, but easier to make. And they're old. But these things are hard to get. Yeah. There's a nice GTR. Guys taking pictures, so we're just gonna 3, 2, clippity clap, and we're back. That's probably from a different YouTuber. I just kind of had to make up something at the top of my mind. Carbon fiber spoiler. Nice GTR. Fat exhaust like the fat pig I am. I'm not that fat. I'm like 5 pounds. At the age of 13, I just call myself fat because I feel like it suits me. Nice GTR. Carbon fiber right yonder. Carbon fiber, little clippy thing there. GTR. Here's a good drift car you can use. Right-sided, so somewhere else. That's a Bluebird. I don't know if that's a thing, but it says on the side. The thing's taken off, like always, like the Mercedes and stuff like that's taken off because people just rip them off. Don't know what car this is. I do like the headlights on the side.
Yeah, it's Hollywood. Perfect right over here.
But you could easily tune this and make it like a drift car, put like a turbo in it. Make this a drift car and you'll be set. Another Chevy Bel Air, looks like the same color scheme, but I think that's different.
There you go.
Oh, he's opening the Another Chevy Bel Air, but this time the back's open on this one. I have another Chevy Bel Air, but Clippity clap, we're back on a nice Chevy. I think it's a little over the top though, you know. Like I would like black this all out, different exhausts, probably on the side. wider, different rims. I don't know. Rims are okay, but still change it. Better interior. Just the lift on it. But it's not like it looks good. It's just still the yellow. Yeah. There's a nice, beautiful outfit. Pink flame, white. What I would do to have this car. Nice wings. Nice livery in the back. I like how it opens from the side like that. There's also the same car. 59 El Camino, that's what it is right there. There's no Volkswagen, Volkswagen van. There's the interior. Man.
Well, we got our chairs out. Or maybe just
Tennis ball. Hippies used to use this. A green Chevy Bel Air. I don't know, green wouldn't be my designated choice. It would either be this beautiful dark green or a brighter green than this. I don't know, this kind of feels like a bigger range. But I love the car either way. Chevy something. I do not know exactly. It is a Chevy custom camper. Yeah, as you can see.
Share your socket and smoke a joint walking down the road, Benicia, and call the club, hey,
Excuse me.
Benicia's not loaded. That's how it used to be.
Man, this car is dope, man. Patina. I think it might be actual real rust, but that's patina. You've heard somebody say patina. A rusty vibe. So if it has a patina look, means it's not actual rust. They just made it look like rust, so it looks cooler. A lot of people like that. Old Chevy C10. Looks like a C10. I'm probably wrong, considering my car knowledge is down 6 feet under, so, you know. Yep, C10. Old Chevy 427. Beautiful blue though. Hi, is my dad looking for me? No. A small tire, it looks like. Oh, really? Old, beautiful GMC. Looks like a Chevy, but apparently it's a GMC. Oh, dude, the exhaust, though.
The titanium exhaust tips.
Are the tires thick? Yes-ish. They're thicker than a normal small tire. So I would... Ooh, that beautiful redwood in the back. Don't know why I did that. Quad exhaust. Man, I like the side exhaust like that. There's the interior. Nice Chevy. Blue sparkles in it. I don't know. Metallic. White stripes. Magnetic. And for the finale, we have a blower. Big blower. Small block, but big blower. Another green Chevy Bel Air. I like this color. I like it's like a not too dark but not too bright. You can see there's sparkles in it. I know I sound gay, but I'm not. I don't know what to call that, so I'm gonna call them sparkles. And here's a Plymouth. I didn't know this was a Plymouth. It's right next to the El Camino, the one I showed from earlier. I didn't know this was a Plymouth. I thought this was like a square caddy. Wasn't song. Old yellow Chevy, but what I most love about this, the purple mixed in with the yellow, chef kiss. Oh god, my phone almost dropped. Interior all ripped up. I like the ripped interior, you know. If there's like old interior and it's ripped, don't change it, don't get rid of it, just like keep it. Just so don't know what car this is. This music is most likely copyrighted, all-wheel drive. So I'm gonna try my best to talk over it like this. So yeah. International Scout truck. That's a nice tail blue steel bumper. There's a hook there, there's a gasket thingy, there's a hook, there's a handle, there's a steering wheel, there's the interior, there's a mirror, there's a Scout all-wheel drive, there's another wheel, and here is a 302 Ford Bronco. Looks raised. Ford Bronco raised, I don't assume. Yep, Ford Bronco Sport raised. Giant, thick off-roading tires, off-roading suspension, blah, 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 blah. Ford thingy. Here's the back of it. Here's the inside. Here's like a merchandise. There's a little kid in there. Handle. Anyways, the video's not over. I'm just saying that. So the video is not over.
Definitely not like you.
I don't know what this is, but it's a beautiful car. An Alcor. Never mind. Intake inside here.
Alright, I'll look it up.
There's an old Camaro. There's an old Camaro. That's it. I'm just going fast. You're not gonna be able to time to look at it because I have something so much more beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Flippity clap. We're back. Beautiful Challenger. In and out urge. I like your dog. Just the color, man. Beautiful. I like the rims especially. 383 Magnum. And I don't mean the gun. Poor Tesla. Man, what I would do to have this car would be a lot of things. But not anything sexual. But I would kill to have this car. I love the look on it. I love the rust. I love the rims, how they're just like, it's like, have you ever seen someone, like, have you ever, like, tried too hard to where it looks ugly, but if you don't try at all, it just doesn't look like you tried that hard? They kind of put this in between, like, they didn't try. They, like, legit, and it looks super good. Because it's an old muscle car, so like it looks good on old muscle cars, like the 383 Magnum Challenger. Looks like I don't know if it's a 69. Looks like a somewhere, but well, they still have the chrome bumper. They stopped making chrome roughly in the 70s to the 75s. So most likely going to be somewhere in the 60s. Maybe even, well, yeah, roughly. I think it was in the 70s. It might have been the 80s. So, roughly, it has to be at best the 80s or below. At least the 70s or below. Man, I love this car. Look at that. Now, some people are like, oh yeah, no, it's rust. Ew, it looks gross. But that's the thing about an old muscle car. That's what they're supposed to look like, you know? That's what gives them the touch. And like this, it's kind of like the Ford F100. Sorry, Ford F100. It is stylish, smooth, round, perfection. This, I don't know. I mean, like, that one's like smooth and clean. This one is just like, okay, you know, if it gets hit, it gets hit. If it gets rust, it gets rust. We leave it. But I would love this car. Out of all the cars here, it would be this one or that one flame one. All the way over there. But damn. Here's a nice wrapped 392. I believe it's wrapped anyways. It looks wrapped. It is. Okay, so my knowledge is getting a little better. have a bunch of stickers in my sock, and it's poking my foot, and it is annoying. A wrapped red 392 Hemi. These things make a butt ton of horsepower. Nice bike. Here's the motor to the Bluebird thingy I was showing you. Oh, it's a Nissan. Old Chevy? Oh no, Oldsmobile. Oh, that gasoline smell. I'll never, ever, ever in my life get tired of that gasoline smell. Man. Some people hate the smell of gasoline. It's freaking like your mom baking cookies in the oven. You just pull them out and smell them upstairs. And off he goes. Oh, there's another cool bike. Looks like a Oldsmobile. This is Trans Am, but Trans Am's got the more front end. Oh, baby, I just looked to the right of me and there's... Oh, I better go fast. Nice paint. I like the black, gold, interior tan, blah, blah, blah. Here's the back. But baby, 3, 2, 1, clippity clap, we're back. And I'm probably wondering, is this a C7? No. It's not C7. It's the new C8 Stingray. Haha. There's the front. Man, this blue though is beautiful. Oh, can you see the motor from? Oh, this one had glass on the other side of my previous video about a car show. But they call it the Stingray because it says Corvette right here. There's the Stingray. Let's get it. Owner says he got it last year. Man. God damn. I am jaw dropped.
Y'all all came together in this? Huh? All 3 of you in this?
I'm just recording.
Yeah, he's the truck. Yeah.
I see a bunch of new cars to my right. I think they're... Oh, no, the GTR left. Here's a Jaguar. This one's a new one. The Jaguars are more of a muscle to a racing to speed car. They're kind of a both. They've made muscle like Dodge and speed like Lamborghini or Ferrari, but not as fast. They definitely are fast, though. Nice red, though. Like, Nice BMW. Doesn't look like an E40. An E40 is more of squared in the front and more squared and older. I'm 3N. Hey, Bug, get off the beautiful car there. Shoot. Yeah, no, an E40 is definitely more squared than this. But still, beautiful drift car. And also, I forgot to show this one. Clippity clop, we're back. I don't know what car this is. The freaking dinner plate of a spoiler, though, beautiful. The fenders for the tire, beautiful. I like the bolts and the nuts showing out. Okay. There's the rims. Here are the side skirts, which I'm a big fan of. I like the little wing here on the side, cambered. I don't know what this is because it's being blocked by this weed plant thing. Audi? No, this isn't an Audi, but it kind of looks like one. It's an Audi. Okay. I knew it was an Audi. I could tell from it said a Watro, and I thought that said Audi, so that's why I thought of it. But then when I came around here, I don't know if you could see it, but I looked at the steering wheel, and it said Audi. Yeah, I know you guys can't see that, can you? Anyways, it does say Audi. I was correct. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, like the video so I know. Is that Jacob?
You want to fix it up, bud?
Yes. That might be Jacob from my school. Hold on. Anyways, bye. I'll see you like and subscribe. Yeah, peace.